Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing like a sizing or shaping type of tutorial. So all you're going to really need is a buffer and a filing board. Not much. So I'm just going to be taking my stiletto, coffin, and my square nail. Not much. Just going to be taking these three sizes because that's the only size that I use. And then I'm going to start by taking the little plastic, the extra plastic part off, and just filing that off, and then file underneath it to go ahead and just, spruce up the shape a little bit more. Now, I don't really do too much shaping just because they are pre-shaped when I order them, so I don't have to do too much shaping. So yeah, that it's really helpful as far as time goes, because you don't have to waste too much time by shaping them and everything. So, and I also do sell these nails now, so you can go on my website and everything. I will leave that in the description box down below if you do want to go ahead and buy one of my previous designs. They are on my website. So yeah, I just use these nails, and then they have the coffin size. Now for the stiletto though, it is a little different just because you're gonna see like this little weird, like it kind of looks like it's two layers. I'm trying to show you right here in this little scene. It's like right there. So yeah, that part, I don't like that, so I just go ahead and file that off. And then this is like what it looks like on the side, just because I've had a set where it was kind of like curved, like too much of a curve to where it looked like claws, and I was like, I don't really like that. So yeah, just go ahead and continue to file. So yeah, you get the gist of right now, but go ahead and finish your filing, and yep.